What's up, my dudes? We are back again in the forest. Last time we built our little Minecraft square right there. We made a new friend right there. What I want to do as well, because we also hit a Bambi, one of the deer creatures. Wait, where is it? Yeah, right here. We have one animal hide, and in the book, what the fuck is that? In the book, it says for a two-person bed, or is it here double bed? We need two Bambi stuff.
Damn, boy, he's there!
I was successful eventually. Well, I don't have any spares left and it's getting night, so I had to call it quits. And let's see if we can make that bed and test it out. With the duct tape being done, we got the bed now. I made that look hella cozy. No more sleeping outside. Well, you wanna share the bed with me? It's a double decker. Hey, don't sit in the fire, you weirdo. My god, what are you doing? Oh my god. No, don't do it again. No. No, you idiot! What are you doing? Get out of the fire! Oh my god, bro! Alright, the next thing I want to do is, if we look at the map, we see 3 purple dots. I don't know how we're gonna get the one in the ocean, but that's a problem for later. I guess we first go to that one. What is it? What is it? What is it? I've lost my driver license. What is it? Oh. Oh, this is from Team B. Ah. We're getting GPS tracker. A flashlight? Oh, yo, that's actually kind of nice when we explore caves and shit. Almost at the second location. There are a lot of rocket raccoons here. Oh, it's in the bush here. What is it? What is it? Oh, I saw something. Is this it? A shuffle? We need a shuffle. Oh my god, this is it. I don't have a shuffle. Nah. Nah. No, you're not telling me I went... Oh, look how far I am, bro. I went all the way over here for nothing? Fuck me, bro. I see something in the water. That's probably where we need to go, right? How the fuck are we gonna get there? We swim? I haven't tried it yet. Let's see. Right here. There's a rope. Nice. Let's not hang ourselves like the first guy. We're here. What do we do now? Oh. E? What the fuck? How do we get in? Oh, right here. Climb. Climb. Oh, there's a corpse in here. Climb. Nice. Very, very smooth. Oh my god, is that a gun? Yeah, no, he died. That's a gun. A pistol. Oh, I want the cannibal ASAP. I want the cannibal ASAP. Pew, 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 pew. Seagulls, you there? Oh. Bam. Oh. That was easy. Damn, I didn't know there was a shark here, but no, I'm going back. Thank you very much. I see something very interesting over there. There's some smoke. Oh. Oh. Come on, card. I want to let my inner Punisher come out. That was quite disappointing, not gonna lie. I thought there would be a lot of more creatures here. And we're home again. Hey, we'll let the door open. We are not born in the church. I think that's gonna do it for today. I'll see you in the next one.
Whoa.
Yeah, no, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.